Hey everyone, welcome back to Treehouse Garden. It's Kimberly here. It's the month of September, and although a lot of the summer garden is still thriving, there is room to start planting for the fall and winter season. So today I'm going to be planting a bunch of spinach. I love to use spinach in cooking and as well as in my juices. It gets a lot of nutrition in these little leaves. So let's go plant some spinach. It should grow all winter long as you keep cutting it and cultivating it. It doesn't like the frost though, so if you have a frost warning, you want to put a blanket or a towel over it overnight. All right, let's get planting. Hey guys, so I have this ollie garden bed that's pretty much empty. I just planted some sugar snap peas up on my trellis here, and so I still have a lot of room. I have some leeks growing there that are still growing, so I'm gonna leave those in, but I do have a big patch of dirt here. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is loosen up the soil. This is really good dirt, very light, and then I'm gonna sprinkle in my seeds next. Okay, so here's the seeds. I'm just going to kind of willy-nilly just literally sprinkle them in. So just kind of sprinkle them everywhere, and now I'm going to top them with some nice light soil. It doesn't get any easier than that. I will just make sure to water them in, keep them watered, and pretty soon we should have spinach growing in the garden.